Hi everyone, I am on my way right now to pick up my new daughter. I've been wanting to get another dog for so long, like so long. If you're new to my channel, I have a Yorkie. She's almost 7 years old. Her name is Molly, and she loves dogs. And she always gets so excited when she sees dogs, and then they leave. And I'm finally at a place where I'm like getting settled in my house, so I'm ready. I'm ready for another little baby, and I know Molly is super excited. We've been like prepping her for this. Today, Molly's life is gonna be changed forever. Baby is asleep, just left the vet. She's so tired. She had a bath and a checkup, and now she's like, Mom, I am over it. Look how cute. My little heart. My little heart. Hi, cutie. Who is that? Hi. Hi. Hi, cutie. Hi. My little tail. I'm so hungry. She's hungry. So hungry, puppies. Look, I got you a toy. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna shower, wash my makeup off, and then go check up on her. She's eating so much right now. And now Molly's like so anxious because she opened the door. Molly, come here, baby. Come here, sweetie. Come here. That's your sissy. Here, smell my hand. She's smelling my hand. You'll see her in a little bit, okay? I feel bad. She's so excited. We gotta wait a little bit, okay? She's smelling. Look at her tail. Just wait a little bit, baby.
Daddy's not a cheater, you see? Daddy's not a cheater.
She just came in there and just kind of smelled her, and that was it. I feel bad.
God, stop doing your booty.
I know.
Stop getting your booty.
Just got an acai bowl. Puppy's taking a nap. Gonna finish watching Snow White. Molly's already begging for food. Molly, you can't have that, baby. I already gave you a treat.
Hi. Say hi, everybody. Say hi. I'm the sweetest baby.
Good girl, you always see. Your butthole's out.
Say hi, Uncle Albert. Say hi, Uncle Albert.
I wonder if she knows who you are already, like you're her mom.
So cute.
She follows me, and you see the cute little baby noise she makes?
So cute. She's like, I don't like being set like this.
Little baby.
I like when she like hops around and stuff.
I know.
Come here, cutie.
We're gonna make you an Instagram.
You need an Instagram, little girl. You need an Instagram. First day with my little puppy. Hi.
She's so cute.
Isn't she so cute?
And she's so small. Like, I don't understand like how.
She looks even bigger on camera, like in person she's so tiny.
That's your Cece. Say hi to her.
Your sissy.
That's your Cece. She's gonna be living here with you. Okay?
She's like, no, I don't want.
You don't like your Cece? She's cute.
She's a cute baby.
She just looks ugly, but she's cute.
Molly said, everyone help me. Molly said she's a lot cuter than she thought, and now she's worried.
Hey. Hey, baby. Mommy.
She doesn't know what it is, babe. She's never seen a Pomeranian.
Girl. Good
Good girl.
You like your Cece? You like it? And then show her who's your dad. Tell her who's your dad. Who's dad?
We don't love you any less, Molly.
I love you.
Yeah.
She's a baby.
Her name is Toy. Toy.
That's Molly's favorite word. Molly
Her name is not Toy. Her name is not Toy. Good girl. Look, she wants to smell her. Just for a little bit. Just for like a minute. Slow.
Molly.
Slow, Molly.
She wants her to smell her butt.
You're nasty.
Molly.
Hey, be gentle. Be gentle. She got scared.
Molly's too rough.
Sit. Sit. Here. Sit. Stay. Stay.
Sit, Molly.
Sit.
She wants to play. Sit, Molly. Good girl.
Good girl.
Be good girl.
Good
Sit.
girl.
Sit.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Wait.
Good girl. Be good girl.
Here.
She's a baby.
Oh my god, she feels like cotton. She's like nothing. She weighs nothing.
Good girl. See?
You see? She's just, you see? Look, she's gonna go her up. She's gonna go her up. Good girl.
Let her walk, Molly.
There's my ball. There we go. She wants to smell her ball.
No. She's a good girl, see? She's a good girl. She's a baby. She loves my shoes. She keeps like trying to chew my shoes.
Did you get these? See the baby? She's a good baby. She's a good baby.
There's another.
Look how fast you're doing this.
Be slow, be slow. Molly, sit down.
Molly.
Sit.
She's hiding.
Sit. 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 Stay. Wait. Let her go. Stay. Stay.
Stay.
Stay.
Stay.
Stay.
Stay.
Stay.
Stay. Be a good girl. Be a good girl, Molly.
Good girl. That's me too, girl. Good girl.
Who's that baby?
Molly, stop.
It's too rough, dude. One is just too rough. You wanna see my baby? You wanna see my baby? See my baby? See my baby?
See how?
See the baby? See the baby?
Molly's scared now. Good girl. Good girl.
Go.
Now she's trying to play a little bit. Watch, she's trying to play. She's biting her foot. Be good, Molly. She's a puppy. She's a little tired. Look at her eyes.
Look at her eyes. It was just huge.
Where there's a movie?
Ready to go to sleep?
She's looking for Molly.
I'm tired. I'm tired.
Go in, mom.
Thumbs out, babe.
Ready? Go in, mom. Go in, mom. Go in, mom. Go in, mom.
Babe, look at her tongue. Look.
Where's your tongue? Where's your tongue? Where's your tongue, baby? Did you?
Her tongue was out. It was so cute. She's like,
Her tongue is out. Stop, okay, stop on the floor. That has to be a dog thing. Her tongue is out.
I love when her tongue's out. Like Molly's. I love when your tongue's out, baby. Girl. She's not getting that jealous, which is good.
Why is she shaking, babe? You think she's excited?
Who?
Mom?
Yeah, she's like. She did not cry all night. She was so good, so sweet. I came to check on her in the middle of the night. She held it for 6 hours, and then she went straight and peed and pooped and ate a little bit and went back to bed. And then I just woke up, and she's being so good. Look, it's your first time. First time in the grass. She's a little fluff ball. Come on. Come on. She's peeing. She's peeing right now. She's peeing.
Good girl.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Little potty. Good girl. Oh. Oh. She fell. Come here. Come here, cutie. This is the grass. Say, I want to play. I want to play. I want to play. Come here. Did she fall? She fell. Come here. She fell. See, I'm just a little girl. I'm just a little girl. Come on. Come on. There we go. Winnie, 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 Winnie.
Here, baby. Here's Cece. Say hi to her.
Molly's like, I never play with dogs. I don't know what to do. I just want you to love me. She just looks like a big fluff ball running around.
I know.
That's all I see. It's just a fluff. Come on, sissy. This is about me. Careful, baby. She's a little baby. You can't be too rough with her.
You never played with other dogs?
Molly does play with other dogs, but you're usually bigger.
Molly likes big dogs.
Molly loves big dogs.
She loves big dogs.
But also, like, when big dogs want to play with Molly, Molly doesn't like it because she gets scared and she starts, like,
She lays down.
growling or lays down. Because a big dog, like, when they paw Molly's face, it's like her whole face and she gets upset. But I think Molly will like this better because she's tiny. Don't eat the grass. Oh, that's poop. Ew. Molly, that's your poop.
Molly, pick up.
Molly, pick up your poop. Let her poop.
There's not enough grass for you to poop, huh? You have to poop in the concrete. I know. And
I'm gonna give her some privacy. We're gonna censor that. Look at the baby. Look how cute she is. She loves to be held. Like literally, she just always like jumps up and wants me to hold her. I know, did you kissy? Don't kissy, my little fluff ball. My little fluffy. She makes like this little baby noise. It's like so cute.
She's honking like a boy. She's like,
Sometimes she trips, but mom, she's good. She didn't pee in her crate or anything, and when I let her out, she peed right away. She didn't whine, she didn't bark, nothing.
she's so well behaved for.
She's so good.
She's so good.
Say hi, everybody. We still have no name. My little no-name baby. I need your guys' help. I don't know what to name her. My little fluff ball. What are we gonna name you, sweetie? You jealous or what? Do not get in that pool, Molly. You know what happened last time you got in the pool? You froze, girl. She loves, excuse you, I love to be held. I love to be held. I'm just the cutest little thing. Mom's girl. I'm like so in love, you guys, seriously. I just want to play with her all day. And Molly. Molly, you're being such a good girl. You're being such a good girl. You're doing so good with your sissy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Comment name ideas down below because we still don't have a name. Okay, I love you guys. Thanks for watching.